beautiful souls. The four spiritual needs you are probably ignoring. Most people are chasing something, either success, security, recognition, or love. But even after getting all that, many still feel this slight, quiet emptiness inside, like something is still missing, but they can't put a name to it. Here is what I have come to learn. Through my own healing journey, my own spiritual work, we are not just hungry for achievements, we are starving for something deeper. There are four spiritual needs every soul longs for, whether we talk about or not. And even when one is missing, life starts to feel dull, disconnected, and draining. Even when on outside everything looks super fine. So let's come back to what matters. The first one is connection. At our core, we just want to feel seen, not judged, not fixed, just understood. Whether it's with someone we trust, or with ourselves, or with something greater. Deep connection makes life feel safer, warmer, more real. You don't need 100 people, you just need one soul. Just one soul who sees you as you are, as full, complete, as enough to remind you of who you are. Second is meaning or purpose. You are not here by accident. The things you have walked through, they weren't just random. There's a message in your mess and a purpose in your pain. And when you begin to own that, meaning and purpose starts to show up, not just in big moments, but in small, ordinary ones also. Your story matters. You matter. Not because it's perfect, but because it's real. And real stories heal. The third is growth. Your soul wasn't made to stay stuck. You don't need to hustle non-stop, but you need to evolve. Even slow growth is sacred. Even one step forward is powerful. What matters is that you are awake, you are present in your own life. Don't rush the healing, but don't hide from it either. Stay in the work gently. Call yourself as work in progress. You matter more than you think. Your energy, your presence, the way you love, it impacts people. Sometimes in ways you will never see. And every time you give from your heart, you help people, you help someone remember their own contribution towards society. You just need that pulse and intention that's enough to make a difference. So if you have been feeling a little off lately, maybe it's not a mindset issue. Maybe it's your soul asking for what your calendar has forgotten. Just pause, reflect, ask yourself which of these four needs you have been starving for. Because when you nourish your spirit, even in small ways, everything else starts to shift. Your clarity, your peace, your power, and that's where the real transformation begins. This stirred something in you. Don't scroll past it with it. And if you are ready to go deeper, I will be there sharing what I have lived, learned, and healed so that it helps you to do so. Thank you.